Welcome to my podcast, 100% English. In this podcast, we are talking about life. My name is Leo, as you know, and today I have a special guest. Hello, my friends. How are you today? Welcome to 100% English podcast. I am Leo, as you know, and I am very happy you are here. Today, this episode, it is very special. Very, very special. Because today, we start something new, something important, something beautiful. Today, we start Survive English. Yes, you heard that right. Survive English. This level is for real beginners. I mean, real beginners. People who start English from zero, from nothing. People who only know maybe hello, and that's it. And hey, that is okay. We all start from zero. Survive English means the first words you need to live, to communicate, to survive in English. Not grammar, not big sentences, not difficult rules. No. We start simple, very simple. Words with meaning, words that help you in real life, like water, food, help, sorry. Words you can use today, right now, even if you speak only a little. And why start this way, my friends? Because this is the way babies learn. First, they listen a lot. Then they say small words. Then they make small phrases. And slowly, their brain grows. We adults can learn the same way. Listen a lot. Repeat slowly. Enjoy the sound. Do not think too much. Your brain will do the work. How will this series work? In Survive English, we will learn small words, simple meaning, slow repetition, natural pronunciation, and real context. Every episode, you learn a little, only a little. But every day, you grow. Small steps, big progress. And together, we will build the strong base you need for A1, A2, and more. What will we learn next, guys? We will learn the first 30 survival words, the most important words to start speaking right now. Words like house, water, food, I, and many more. And of course, so I will say each word slowly, 2 times, with a long pause, so you can repeat after me. It will be fun, simple, and very powerful. So my friends, this is the beginning, the first step, okay? Let's go. Are you ready, my friends? This part is very, very important. Here, we listen and we repeat, just like babies do. Take it slow. Relax. Don't think too much. Just listen and repeat. Ready? Let's start. I say the word, you repeat the word. Okay? Good. Water. Repeat, water. Food. Repeat, food. Sleep. Repeat, sleep. Help. Repeat, help. Come. Repeat, come. Go. Repeat, go. Stop. Repeat, stop. I. Repeat, I. He. Repeat, he. She. Repeat, she. We. Repeat, we. Yes. Repeat, yes. No. Repeat, no. Good. Repeat, good. Bed. Repeat, bed. It. Repeat, it. Have. Repeat, have. Father. Repeat, father. Mother. Repeat, mother. House. Repeat, house. Dog. Repeat, dog. Listen. Repeat, listen. Speak. Repeat, speak. Open. Repeat, open. Close. Repeat, close. Wait. Repeat, wait. Slow. Repeat, slow. Run. Repeat, run. Friend. Repeat, friend. Think. Repeat, think. Learn. Repeat, learn. Great job today. You listened, you repeated, and you learned your first survival words and your first survival sentences. Remember, this is the beginning. Small words, small steps, big progress. This is 100% English Podcast. I am Leo, and I am proud of you. Take a deep breath, feel calm, and keep learning. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye, my friends. Practice your English. Take small steps. And remember, you can do it.